ways of being able to roll it. Oftentimes there's a roll that's done similar to this, where they're individually rolled, okay? Each tobacco leaf is rolled, and then it's all put together. The reason why I use the booking process is only because it seems to be more simplistic. And this booking process is relatively simple. What I would do is that I would scrunch this up. Now, I wouldn't scrunch it up too tight.
Okay.
Because then, then all of a sudden,
draw's too hard.
yeah, the draw is going to be too hard. And I would take this, and I'm going to put this on a diagonal. There's that binder leaf, right? I'm going to take my filler, and I don't want to look at it. I want to feel. Okay. I can feel that at one end it's lighter here, and that's okay, and then at one end it's lighter here, but the middle, that's pretty good. And by the way, we're not going to smoke a cigar that long, okay? But what we're going to do is that we're going to be cutting those ends, but the center of this feels pretty good. I mean, I can feel it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little pressure on it. I'm going to bring it over here. I'm going to roll with that binder. And now, as I'm pushing it with my fingertips, I am bundling it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You see how how pliable it was? I stretched it, it came out. And then as I'm bundling it, I'm gonna stick I'm pushing in the one end. This is the butt end, that's the smoking end. And I'm gonna create me a little pigtail. Being very careful I don't slice my thumb wide open. Now, why would you use a flat surface like that? Because sometimes your fingers, yeah. But you look at that and you say, I don't know, that's a pretty nasty looking thing. Well, they are, binders are. And you take it like this, and you push it in. You find a nice spot. I'm gonna take that pigtail, I'm gonna stick it out the little back end. I'm gonna push this in, and there you go. Literally, this one is complete.